Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable method for adding me on private groups on Nemo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Nemo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on security and privacy. Then scroll until you find a method for adding me. Next tap on it. After that, you can see the option of private group. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable private group method for adding me on Emo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.